Okay, in this video it is a video on how to draw Frosty the Snowman. You can see I'm starting right up at the top there with a nose and two kind of oval shapes for eyes. I'm thinking right now that maybe I've started this a little bit too close to the top because Frosty the Snowman has a top hat that he's wearing. I'm not sure I'm going to fit that in. So remember, pencils before Sharpies, because if you make a mistake, you can always erase pencils. But I'm trying to do this all in one video here. It would take a really long time if I did pencils and Sharpie, so that's why I'm just doing the Sharpie. There's the mouth. It's just two curve shapes, one below the other. And here I'm going to start on the hat, and hopefully I can fit it all in. Remember, this is a snowman, so we've got kind of the round shape for the head. That's just two shapes on the side there. It's already starting to look quite a lot like Frosty. So the hat, let's see if we can fit it in. Okay, there's the shape of the bottom of the hat, and he has a flower in the headband. That's kind of zoomed in there. It's kind of hard to see. I think I'll freeze it here in a second and we can see what that looks like. So you can see the flower there a little bit better, and here's the hat. We can kind of just fit it in there. And then it's got a black headband, so we can kind of fast forward through this part of the video. Okay, next we have Frosty's scarf. So it's two just sort of curved shapes there, and then connect those on the bottom. And then another curved line for the top of the scarf. Then we've got the part that's flowing out here. So this is just two lines, and you can see that it gets wider as it comes away from the body there. And then just kind of mirror that bottom line there with another one, and you've got the scarf. Okay, we've got hands. We've got this hand here, which is going to be holding the broom. Apparently Frosty just has 3 fingers and a thumb. Same thing on the other side. Then we can zoom in here and have a closer look. So that's part of the hand. 1, 2, just 3 fingers. And he is holding a corncob pipe there, so kind of an oval shape for the top of it. And curved line at the bottom, and that's the stem of the pipe there. And that's finished there. Okay, and that's the top part of the arm. Now we need the broom. Again, pencils will be really helpful here. I'm just kind of doing it quickly with a Sharpie. You could use a ruler here. There's the bottom part. I think we can zoom in here on the top part and get a better look at how this is done. So really a lot of this is just curved shapes, one over the other, to find these kind of bigger shapes here, this time of the broom. And then on top, once we fill this in, on top, not curved shapes, but rectangular shapes. Kind of broken up there. And that should finish the broom. Next part we're going to do is finishing up the arms here. And really this is kind of the last of the hard part of this drawing. So that's just a curved shape on that side. And then we'll finish the other arm off here. Comes down below the scarf, curved shape there. Now we can fill the rest of the body in. This is a bit quicker. We got the most difficult part done, the body and the feet. And there is the drawing of Frosty. So let's add some color. Kind of up to you, whatever you want to do. I think we can fast forward this through and finish up with the coloring. I think he's got a couple of colors on the scarf, so green, and it looks kind of orange here, but I'm pretty sure I used some red, but it looks kind of orange when we get to that. And again, those kind of up to you, whatever colors you want to use there. Finish the pipe. I think he's got a blue hat. And then we can fill the mouth in. And that is pretty much that. There is your drawing of Frosty the Snowman.